Myself Raj, welcome to Raj Online Trainings. In the series of Java Programming Complete Placement course, today let us go with one more new topic in this video, that is Java Introduction. In the previous videos, we have seen about object-oriented concepts and what is the need of going with object-oriented. From today, in this video, let us start off with the Java Introduction. Let us enter into Java from today onwards in this video. Now, what is this Java is like? Java is high-level object-oriented programming language, and it is developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems, and it was in the year 1995. So Java comes under as what? High-level programming language, and it is even object-oriented programming language. And this Sun Microsystems is acquired by Oracle Corporation in 2010. So now onwards we should say Java is a product of Oracle. So previously it was with Sun Microsystems, and from 2010 onwards this Sun Microsystems is acquired by Oracle Corporation. So now onwards we should say Java is a product of Oracle. What is the uses of Java? What is the need of going with Java is, by using Java we can develop desktop applications. What do you mean by desktop applications is like, the examples are like calculator, Paint, Microsoft Word, Excel, Eclipse. All these are what? Desktop applications. Once we download and install on our local machine, we can able to run that application without connecting to any other system. They are independent. Such type of applications we call desktop applications or standalone applications. Using Java, we can develop desktop applications. We can even develop mobile applications. We can even go with what? Web applications. What do you mean by web applications? The applications which we access using a browser like www.gmail.com, accessbank.com, amazon.com, bookmyshow.com, IRCTC. All these are what? Web applications. We can even use this Java for games development, and we can even use Java for enterprise applications. So the meaning of enterprise applications are like distributed applications. They are more secured. Like all the banking applications nowadays we see, they are all enterprise applications. Then why Java? What is the need of going with Java is like, Java works on different platforms. This is the main feature of Java, which we call platform independent, architecture neutral. If you write a Java program on Windows, we can run it on any other operating system, any other platform like Linux or Mac. So Java works on what? Different platforms. Either it may be Windows or Mac or Linux. And already we know Java is what? Object-oriented programming language. So we have seen the object-oriented concepts like object, class, abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism. All these features we can do by using Java, since Java is object-oriented programming language. And this is the most popular programming language. This is very useful. Nowadays many companies are using Java programming language for developing software applications. And large demand in the current job market. This is having large demand in the current job market, because when you want to develop mobile applications or web applications or enterprise applications, the most popular language used by is Java. Many developers are going to use this Java. Many companies and even the clients are asking to develop the application using Java, because it is easy to learn and simple to use, and it is open source. Java is what? It's an open source. That means we can download Java software free of cost. And this is secure, fast and powerful programming language. So since it is more secure, fast and powerful programming language, that's the reason it is having large demand in the current job market. Right? And it's having huge community support. Coming to versions of Java, the versions of Java, you can know the versions of Java using this Wikipedia. Open this link where you can see Java version history. See here, you can find the complete Java version history in this article. Right? If you scroll down, you can see the release table. See here, it started with JDK 1.0. JDK means Java Development Kit, and see the first release was in 23rd January 1996. So similarly, you can find the other versions like JDK 1.1, J2 SC means Java 2 Standard Edition. SC means Standard Edition 1.2. So instead of JDK, they started calling it as J2 SC 1.2, and it was in 4th December 1998. Like that, we are having versions like 1.3, 1.4. Okay, J2 SC 5.0. Instead of calling it as 1.5, they started calling it as 5.0. Okay, so then they started, instead of saying J2 SC, they are saying now onwards Java SC6. Java SC6 means even we can say version 1.6. Okay, like that you can see the versions Java SC7, Java SC8, like that you can see the versions, right? And the latest version is Java SC24, and it got released in 18th March 2025. Recently it got released. So in our course also, I'm going to make use of this Java SC24 version. We'll be learning how to download and install this Java 24 version on our operating system. And this one is Java SC25. So this is future version. This is what future version. You can see the symbols here. Old version not maintained. See Java SC22, 23. They are old version not maintained. Okay. So this yellow color, this symbol indicates older version, but still it is under maintenance. And this green color symbol, this one Java SC24, it is the latest version, and this one is our future version. Okay, so Java SC25 is in future version. So expected date may be September 2025. Okay, so these are the versions. So in our course, we are going to make use of latest version, that is Java 24 version. So that's about in this video. It's a simple small introduction, and in the next video we are going to start off with Java features. Thank you. Please subscribe, like and share.